Hi everyone, welcome back. In this section of the lecture, you are going to learn the Spring Boot fundamentals. Well, this section is especially for the Spring Boot beginners. So if you are a Spring Boot beginner, then you can go ahead and watch this section, because in this section you will learn the important annotations that are required to develop the Spring Boot REST APIs. Okay, so in this section we will begin with what is Spring Boot, what are the Spring Boot features, and next we will create a Spring Boot project, and then we will build some of the simple Spring Boot REST APIs, and we will learn the important Spring MVC annotations that are required to build the Spring Boot REST APIs. So before developing the Spring Boot and React Full Stack projects, we'll familiar with building Spring Boot REST APIs using the annotations. That's why if you are a beginner, then you can go ahead and check out this section to learn the annotations that are required to build the Spring Boot REST APIs. In next lecture, we'll see what is Spring Boot. Alright, I will see you in the next lecture.